Welcome to EasyKnow. How want to use dark mode on Instagram, but not sure how. I'm Jessica from techboomer.com. And in this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on the Instagram app. Now, let's get started to enable dark mode on Instagram using an Android device. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. And then tap Dark Mode. Now you can tap on to enable dark mode if you'd like to easily be able to switch between light and dark mode without going into your Instagram settings. You can select the system default option. This way, if you set your device to dark mode, Instagram will automatically switch to dark mode as well to match. That's all it takes to enable dark mode on the Instagram app for Android. For the Instagram app on iPhone, Instagram will automatically switch between light and dark mode based on your device's settings. So to switch the Instagram app for iPhone to dark mode, just switch your device to dark mode. That's all it takes to enable dark mode on Instagram. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel Easy Know How.